So today I came here for the matter 156.3 CRPC, in which the court has ordered to the respected police personals for ATR, action taken report. So since the last few hearings, we are just receiving the dates, and in last two dates just was not coming in the court. So it took time around 6 months. 6 महीने में 2 डेट निकल गई, जज साहब नहीं आए, और 1 साल से ATR रिपोर्ट पेंडिंग है। और आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग हेयर। एंड एक और मैटर था यहाँ पर, जो कि जिसमें कि हमारा मैटर जो था वो हमने डाला हुआ था, सिविल सूट डाला हुआ था फॉर रिकवरी ऑफ मनी। सो इन दिस मैटर द मैटर वाज डिस्पोज्ड amicably by the settlement of the parties individually without intervention of the court. So I was here to just get my refund of the court fees. So the procedure of the get refunded your court fees is to, firstly you need to when the matter was recorded for disposal as a settled, you need to say the court that kindly order for refund of court fees. So all the averments shall be recorded in that order. So thereafter you need to apply for certified copy of that order, and then you just need to go to the Ahmad by to go to the Ahmad, and he will issue the court fees refund certificate, and thereafter you will have to go to the collector's office, and from there you will receive certain documents, and you need to go thereafter you need to go to the T Sajari treasury, and from there you will get your court fees refunded. And the present scenario in this matter is the new ruling of the Delhi government for regarding the court fees refund. So the latest enactment is there in Delhi for refund of court fees 2026, and which is imposed in March 2026. And the latest ruling is when the parties settle their matter without the intervention of the court, and so parties, which means the plaintiff, shall get refund of their court fee of their court fees fully. So in this matter, आप लोगों की नॉलेज के लिए कि न्यू कोर्ट फीस दिल्ली का अमेंडमेंट एक्ट आ चुका है, और आपको यहाँ पर कंप्लीट रिफंड मिलेगा अपनी कोर्ट फीस का, जो भी आपने लगाई हुई है, 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, 40,000 जितनी की भी लगाई हुई है, वो आपको फुल रिफंड मिलेगा। और जो कि न्यू रूलिंग है ये दिल्ली कोर्ट फीस एक्ट अमेंडमेंट, एंड आपको बस कोर्ट में आपको ये रिकॉर्ड करवाना है इस ऑर्डर में कि भाई कोर्ट फीस के लिए रिफंड के लिए आप ऑर्डर में मेंशन कर दीजिए। और वन अनदर थिंग इज़, सपोज suppose you have filed the fresh suit in the court, and then later on you get to know that there are some important defects, and there are some crucial defects which can be cured after the fresh filing. So in some cases say you that kindly withdraw your matter. Then if you withdraw your matter, then you cannot get your court fees refund. So you need to tell the court that kindly return the case file and order for the fresh filing of the case. So in this way you can get your in this matter you can amend your suit without making any payment, without making any fresh court fees payment. So this is the way. Otherwise you will have to pay another court fees. So this is the main concern, and this is the remedy, this is the solution where you can get your court fees refund fully in Delhi.